Opportunities don't knock, they appear when you're ready. These affirmations will help you attract the job you want. Stay until the end for our motivational quote, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. I am hireable. I excel at work. I attract new job offers. People recommend me professionally. Every day, I advance further. Today, opportunities appear. I am successful. I impress employers. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.